Thank you for taking the time to find out about Thermoglaze from Belshaw, the worldwide leader in donut production equipment. Thermoglaze is a revolutionary new system that thaws, heats, and glazes pre-fried frozen donuts. With Thermoglaze, you can produce fresh-tasting, attractive, high-quality donuts without investing in the labor and equipment necessary to prepare and fry donuts using scratch mix and an open kettle fryer. Through its unique and patented design, Thermoglaze successfully addresses a common complaint with frozen donuts: stale taste and poor shelf life. Additionally, Thermoglaze is easy to operate, can be used for exhibition-style production, and requires no ventilation hood. Great donuts, low labor requirements, exhibition-style baking to drive customer traffic and sales. How is this possible? Thermoglaze has been designed from the ground up to bring the most out of the multiple varieties of pre-fried donuts currently available. The Thermoglaze is in fact made up of two distinctive components: the thermalizer and the Thermoglaze itself. The thermalizer defrosts frozen donuts right out of the box at preset temperature and humidity. Donuts can be thawed in the thermalizer in 20 minutes, or 1/3 the time that it normally takes. Additionally, thawing in the thermalizer helps the donut retain moisture, so at the end of the process, the donut tastes fresher and enjoys a longer shelf life. Frozen donuts are directly inserted into the thermalizer on standard 18-inch by 26-inch screens and can be held there for up to 5 hours without adverse effect on the donuts. This feature allows for production on demand and helps eliminate shrinkage from overproduction. The Thermoglaze component consists of a conveyorized oven and a waterfall-style glazer. The entire screen of donuts is removed from the thermalizer and is placed on the conveyor. The conveyor carries the screen through the oven and the waterfall glazer. This system is designed to provide the optimum donut temperature for glazing. No more milky white donuts. Continuous operation provides a finished screen of donuts every 2 minutes, or up to 50 dozen per hour. Operating the Thermoglaze is simplicity itself. The conveyor speed and the oven temperature are preset at the factory, allowing operation of the oven and the conveyor with just a single switch. The Thermoglaze pump is operated by a separate switch, depending on whether the donuts are going to be glazed or otherwise decorated. The thin curtain of glaze is uniformly applied to each donut while they are at the optimum temperature for a perfectly even coat. After glazing, all that remains is to remove the screen full of finished donuts. The taste is equal to the best in fresh fried donuts. Donuts prepared in the Thermoglaze can be iced in a regular icer, like these French donuts. Training is so easy it can be completed in minutes, and no previous experience is required. A new or unskilled employee can make great donuts with minimal effort. Thermoglaze gives you the ability to make donuts on demand, no waste due to overproduction and no lost sales due to underproduction. At the end of the